So viewers, let's continue from where we stopped in the last class. Good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. So we have another example to solve under empirical and molecular formula. The question says a mineral contains 14.7% calcium, 67.7% tungsten, and the remainder is oxygen. So we asked to calculate the empirical formula given that the atomic mass of calcium is 40, that of tungsten is 184, and oxygen is 16. So let's begin. Just as I mentioned in the last class also, before we begin solving any question that the empirical and molecular formula, the first thing we need to do is to bring out the elements as stated in the question. So in this question now we have three elements. The first element is calcium, then we have the tungsten, and also we have that of the oxygen. So we're given we're told from the question that the mineral contains 14.7% of calcium, while that of tungsten is 67.7%. So we're told that the remainder is oxygen. So we have to find the percentage of oxygen. And this is very easy. All we need to do, we know that percentage is in 100. So that of oxygen is going to be 100 minus the addition of these two, that of calcium and tungsten, which is 14.7 plus 67.7. Okay, so let's calculate this. So we have 14.7 plus 67.7. This gives us a value of 82.4. So all we need to do is to say 100 minus 82.4, and we have the value for oxygen to be 17.6%. Okay, the addition of these three now gives us 100%. So from here, the next step is for us to divide through by the atomic masses of each element. So we are given that the atomic mass of calcium is 40, atomic mass of tungsten is given as 184, while the atomic mass of oxygen is given as 16. So now let's divide through. Dividing 14.7 by 40 gives us a value of 0.3675. So moving on to that of the tungsten, which is 67.7 divided by 184, this gives us a value of 0.3679. And moving on to the next one, which is 17.6 divided by 16, here we have a value of 1.1. So from this point, all we need to, the next step is for us to divide both sides by the smallest value. And we can see that from here, the smallest value is 0.3675. So that's what we do, 0.3675 and 0.3675. So here we're going to have 1, here we have 1, and here we have 1.1 divided by 0.3675, and here we have a value of 3. Okay, so now from here we can easily, we are asked to find the empirical formula. So the molecular formula now is going to be, here we have calcium, that is calcium is 1, tungsten also is 1, and oxygen is 3. So this is the same as saying CaWO3. So viewers, hope you've learned something new today as usual. See you in the next class as we solve more examples under the same topic. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.